Gua, 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 Guangdong baby, got the Guang, got the Dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's all about, looking all around. It's Guangdong, baby. Got the Guang, got the Dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China.
Okay, we're in this area called there it is right there, Guangzhou, and there's a library. Hello, how are you? And we're in this area right here, so this is the one I put in my Google search, Dongshankou, but that's actually the real neighborhood as well. So basically what I'm going to be doing here is walking around in this neighborhood, and we're going to be starting at this library, and there's a lot of really cool stuff all the way in here, so we're going to highlight it and give you a slice of Guangzhou. I'm really liking it a lot. Lots of cool stuff everywhere. Okay, we have Guangzhou, not just anywhere in Guangzhou, but a really, really cool neighborhood. So we'll put that up on the map so you know exactly where we are, and we're gonna walk around and check it all out, and you can see it as if you were there yourself. Come on, let's check out Guangzhou. Okay, so that's the library. We are going to stroll around in here. Check it out. So yeah, I saw a lot of really cool architecture everywhere in this area, so I just took a taxi from another neighborhood, which was 2.5 kilometers away, and that was called Tianhe, which is like the business district, like a CBD downtown kind of feel. But this one has a lot more density, a lot more stuff going on, and we're gonna walk around in it, kind of see what we can show you. You can see a lot of stuff happening right in front of me. Looks like there's tons of scooters and also tables and chairs and people playing cards and who knows what. So we're gonna go right into that, and then we'll keep on moving through here. Let's see if we can navigate this space here. But yeah, lots of people playing cards. Don't know which game that is, but that's pretty common in here. And we are going to keep on moving through this crosswalk, I believe. Guangzhou's kind of cool. I've been here a few times, but the city's so massive that I don't really know the city, if you know what I mean. It's like you think you know it, and then you go to a different area and you've never seen it before. The whole city looks different. And this area looks really, really cool. Like, check out some of these buildings. And we are going to navigate this crosswalk. See how people do this. Looks like they just kind of go across, but it's a little bit confusing, so I'm still trying to learn it myself. Looks like we can go right now. So I don't know if we have a right of way or no or what, or who knows what. Oh, this looks cool. I like this winding road already. Yeah, there's a lot in, that's a lot to see, and I haven't spent much time in Guangzhou, and when I have, I only know a couple of select areas, and I kind of thought I knew the city based on them, but now that I've been here, I realize there's completely different stuff that I know nothing about. Caesarea is from Japan, and they'll have kind of Italian food with a Japanese twist. There we go, gotta cross that. Thought I got away from the motorcycles, they come up on the sidewalk too. kinds of cool stuff. Ah, man, look at these roads down here. Let me kind of let you know what I'm doing. So I only gave myself a little bit of time to spend in Guangzhou today. So I'm not gonna have that much content, but I'll have a few videos out of it for sure. But now that I'm here, I wish I was here for, you know, 3-4 days, because there's a lot to explore in here. Minimum, you can spend a lot more time even, easily. The city seems really cool. Like, this is super interesting. Like, I would love to just get lost in all these little alleys, get to know this city really well. Like, that just looks like an endless array of interesting stuff to explore. Some nice density in here too, and some really cool architecture. Like, I didn't know, I guess I just like those going up these little alleys would be so interesting. Huh. There's more things in here too. Huh. So I will definitely have to make another trip into Guangzhou on another date. And spend more time. So at the moment what I'm doing is I'm gonna try to get to see some other areas in Guangdong, and I'm kind of starting in this city as I do it. Huh. So I want to kind of move on quickly from here, so I just gave myself a little bit of time. But I live in Macau, so if you're not familiar with my channel, Macau is quite close to here, so I can come. It's like an hour and a half away. I can be back anytime, almost. Quite reasonable. And based on what I'm seeing now, I definitely will. Like, super cool. I didn't even know it was going to be quite this cool. So actually I'm trying to get over to Foshan. That's my plan, is to get over there tonight and stay there. Let's see here. So I guess we're on Guangdong Street right now for people that want to look it up, see where we are. Huh. There's just so much cool stuff in this area alone. It's, anyways. I don't even know which way to go. Let's just kind of meander this way. Dang. Love it. I didn't know it was going to be quite this cool. Quite so interesting. So my plan is just to kind of walk around in here a little bit. And I'm going to try to get to some other neighborhoods too. I just try to film as much random stuff as I can, get a feel for it, and then I can always come back. There's like a little vintage bar right over there, little neighborhood bar. There's all kinds of cool stuff everywhere in here. Beautiful trees too. These big massive trees kind of remind me a little bit of, not a little bit, but kind of like Macau as well, because got massive trees there too. Okay, let's see what else is around here. Oh, there's some covered arcades. Here's a... Yeah, this is a cool city. This is an interesting neighborhood. I could explore a lot more in here easily. I will. Maybe later this summer. Maybe. Definitely 100% will. Just getting taste. A little taste. Hello. There's a coffee shop. Oh. I definitely want to get to know this city more. There's cool stuff everywhere. Like a vintage shop. I want to look in there too. Well, I'm gonna take a look in here. Vintage clothing. I will just keep on walking. You know, when you're young, it's fun to go vintage clothing shops. You don't have much money, and then you can get all kinds of creative, interesting stuff. But as you get older, you don't really, it's not really the same. All kinds of cool stuff. I didn't know there was such a cool area of Guangzhou. This is amazing. I'll have to come by again and devote more time to it. So anyways, that's a little slice of Guangzhou. We will definitely come back to this neighborhood again. And I'm going to explore and learn more about it. But I definitely have a very favorable impression. So let's just go a little bit further up to the corner so we can see what's over there. And then I think I'm going to come to an ending for it. But my impression right now is I like it. Just want to see what's around the corner here. Okay. There's more cafes. Okay. Kowloon restaurant. All kinds of cool stuff. I'm gonna go in there real quick. There's some people with sitting outside, but this has all these residential housing everywhere. This looks so cool. Yeah, I would definitely 100% have to explore a lot more. That looks really interesting right there in that corner even. Okay. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna end the video. But yeah, so this is a little slice of this whole area. So let's just come to an ending in this space. And we'll definitely be exploring more.
Got the dong